In this tutorial, we'll walk through Location Manager. This is a tool that lets users create and maintain a custom list of business locations, which we call location groups. Location groups can be used for three purposes: targeting specific businesses, in-store visit measurement for foot traffic attribution, and building audiences based on visitation history. You may hear us refer to locations as points of interests or POIs. This is because each one is associated with a unique ID in our database. If you have a curated list of addresses you want to target, measure, or build an audience from, then the first step is to create a location group in Location Manager. You can get to Location Manager a few different ways. The first option is to go straight to locations.groundtruth.com. Note that Location Manager uses the same login as Ads Manager. Another option is through Ads Manager. In Ads Manager, click the hamburger menu in the top left corner, then select Location Manager from the available apps. This will open Location Manager into a new tab. The last option to access Location Manager is when setting up an ad group. In the ad group, click on the Create Location Group button. You'll find this under any of the targeting methods. Click Create Location Group, which will open Location Manager into a new tab. Please note that location groups are created and saved at the account level. If you manage multiple clients, ensure you've selected the correct account under your tenant, aka your parent account, before clicking the New Location Group button. Once you arrive in Location Manager, click the New Location Group button in the top right corner. Enter a name and description for your location group. A good practice is to include the creation or update date in the description. This makes it easier to manage the group and determine when new locations were last added. Click Continue to create the new location group. Note that once created, you cannot delete a location group, but you can clear its contents and rename it for a new use case. Remember, a location refers to a business or public place, not a residential address. Residential locations have a separate process due to privacy regulations, so connect with Ground Truth support if you're interested in targeting homes. Now, let's add locations to your location group. Click into a location group, then select Add Locations in the top right corner. You'll see three methods for adding locations. Method 1. Select from our system. This method allows you to pull POIs from our database based on specific brands or categories and existing location groups. Start typing keywords to search for available locations. You can also filter by geography. Then, preview and manage these POIs before adding them into the location group. Method 2. Upload a location file. This allows you to upload a list of addresses using our available template. Follow the template's format exactly to ensure your addresses are added correctly. Once you've saved the file, upload it into the system. Method 3. Add locations manually. This method allows you to manually enter addresses. This is recommended only if you have a handful of addresses to add either to a brand new location group or to add to an existing location group. When you add new addresses, the system attempts to match them with POIs in our database. Remember, POIs are locations with a unique Ground Truth ID. Locations that successfully match move to the Accepted Locations tab and become active immediately. Locations marked as invalid or conflict will require additional action from you before they can be processed further. If locations are marked as rejected, it means they could not be accepted, often due to location sensitivity or privacy regulations. Once locations are accepted, you'll see the status of each. A location will initially say, Pending Blueprint, and will have a radial fence around it. Note that the M stands for meters, not miles. To visualize an accurately drawn blueprint, click the eye icon. If you have any questions about a blueprint, use the feedback feature to submit it to our team directly. Finally, you'll be automatically opted into location status notifications. These are emails that notify you if any POIs have been rejected or accepted after processing. Once a location group is created and the POIs are accepted, it's automatically available for location targeting and measuring in-store visits. However, to use the enhanced elements, such as building an audience for behavioral targeting, you must click the Build Targeting button. This status will change to Ready once the build is complete. Once your location group has been successfully built, you can select it within the Ads Manager platform. Once your location group has been successfully built, you can select it within the Ads Manager platform using one of the targeting methods after inputting your geography details. Select one targeting method, then search the name of the location group and select it for targeting. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.